Hey friend, today I'm sharing what I bought recently at TJMaxx. So I was looking for a few items for a makeover I'm doing for a cousin. So some accessories for her room, some decor to add to some shelving I'm installing. And so I was mainly looking for that, and I found a number of things. First off, I found some cool like geode stones. I think we're gonna do a pale pink accent in her room, so I liked this very pale pink color of this one, and then this one is kind of a teal color, and they're both very soft, muted colors and very organic looking, so I think she'll like them. I was excited to find this candle holder for only $7.99. This one was actually from Ross, but it is just this cool marble piece that's very angular, and it's got the holes at the top to put your tapered candles in. I just think it's kind of a funky yet modern look, and it's like very heavy solid marble, and so I thought using that probably in my cousin's room would be a neat thing. Just gonna try them with these Dollar Tree tapered candles. I also like that the veining is kind of a warm color, so it kind of warms up the coolness of a marble finish. This was something for me. I enjoy finding ways to add apple cider vinegar into my diet. Good for a number of health benefits, like for your metabolism, and also I have a family history of kidney stones. I've tried these before and they taste really good. They don't taste like the nasty vinegar, you know, even when you add it or like dilute it with water, it just is not good. And so I take the tablet sometimes, but these gummies are pretty yummy, so I found them on sale. I've been looking for more like cosmetic bags. The one I use in my purse for chapstick, lotion, band-aids, all the things, it's just tore recently. This may not be the fit that I need for that, but I'm looking for these bags, and I thought this one was really pretty. I like the bold pattern and the blue and white, and I thought it could make a good gift too. Brand name with a good zipper. I spotted these by the cosmetic section, and I thought they would make great gifts. Perfect to tuck into a stocking or a small gift. They're just very cool temporary tattoos for a teenager or an adult. One of them is wording, just breathe, be brave, lots of cool phrases. And then the other one is little doodles and illustrations of different flowers, a monstera leaf, butterflies, hearts, stars, all that. I thought these would be fun, and the packaging of them in these cute little cases, I know a number of people that I think would enjoy these. This is a room and linen spray that I thought looked really fancy, like a high-end perfume, Bird of Paradise scent, and it's got like the photo in the back, the birds of paradise, tropical berries, emerald greens, and hints of sweet melon, hibiscus, pineapple flower, orchid. So there's a lot of notes in this, very like sleek and modern, and so I thought this would be a fun gift for somebody. Room scent that looks very high-end and fancy, or you could put in your laundry room and use for sheets or whatever. I found a couple of Sephora eyeshadow palettes. This one's called I Love, and it's light cool eyeshadow palette colors. They were only $5.99. I think maybe we'll open one and take a look at the colors. I actually really like these colors. They've got the shimmers on the bottom and like these really nice matte colors, and I like the warm brown and the like very light champagne color that's very matte. Anyway, I think I'm gonna like this palette. I got them thinking like they could be for gifts, but I grabbed two because I thought maybe I'll keep one. And I love a small eyeshadow palette. The big ones are awesome, but harder to travel with, so this is like perfect little size. And then I thought this would be a fun gift maybe for a teenager, or I might keep it, we'll see. But it's one of the Naked palettes, Robin Eisenberg, and just the packaging on it looks really fun and cool. Neat colors and some blue tones and purplies and some matte colors, so I thought that looked fun. I used to be all about the eyeshadow, so I'm kind of a sucker for this when I can get them on sale, and they're just fun. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh, those purples are crazy. I do really like this one though. That one's like super vibrant, like a periwinkle. And then these are pretty glittery and a little over the top, but they could be fun. So it might be better going as a gift to somebody. For my teenage cousin's room makeover that I mentioned, I wanted to show you a few things I picked up at the dollar store. She has one of those Polaroid cameras and has lots of cute little photos that she's made a space to hang them, but it's not as impactful and, you know, as designed as I would like. So I found these at the Dollar Tree. I got 3 of them. They're just a little circular wire with pieces across, and it comes with little clips, but I think I might buy some cute stylized ones for her room. But it's just the perfect thing to put her Polaroid pictures on, and I thought we could do a grouping of 3 and have fun with the placement of them and create a little more impact and, you know, a more designated place for those photos. Oh shoot, I'm realizing this, I don't think this was from the dollar store. I'm not sure where I got it. I know they have similar stuff to this at the dollar store, but this is just a peel and stick wall decal. We talked about doing some like positive affirmations on her wall, and I saw this. It says, "You are strong." She likes working out and exercising, and I guess it's dual meaning because internal strength is also just as important or more important. It's really easy to reposition, and so picked that up thinking that we'd find a place for that somewhere. And then she's already has something similar to this. She's got a piece of wood with some rope creating a little shelf. So I picked up a few more thinking we could do like going full on with it and taking that idea and just running with it and creating a bigger moment. She has like a lot of faux succulents I want to add to that. I have this giant air plant that I got on clearance from Michael's. I'm thinking I might gift to her to add to her room. I might try to sneak in one real plant that's easy to care for, like in a hanging pot from the ceiling, because she does like the real plants, but she tries the harder ones, which are hard to keep up. So we'll see, but I thought these shelves were cool. Anyway, so there's more to come. Hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll get that done and get the video out for you guys. But yeah, so stay tuned and make sure you click on the next video to see more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.